Hey everybody, Andrew with Suds to Success podcast. Do I ever have a tip video for you? The last video we talked about coating cars. That's a big one, getting a lot of views on that, a lot of comments, a lot of messages we're getting on it. We talked about polishing paint. That's another big subject. I'm gonna kind of talk about one that's not talked about a lot, and that's gonna be the depth of your paint. Let's get into that, kind of how to do that, why it's important, and we'll go from there. So measuring paint. The gauge we're using today is this Next PTG gauge. They are not sponsoring the video. Like we didn't get this for free. I've had this thing for 5 years. So that's why I really like the product. I've never changed the batteries in it, and we use this quite often for 5 years. It's a good product. Other reason why I like it, this is the gauge. So it's a little blue, you put it right in your hand. Super nice and easy. And it connects to a tablet, so you can kind of see here. So when I put this up to the paint, it's gonna say a number. Well, that number is going to indicate how many mils is on the car. We do it in mils. Ivan, don't come at us. I know you like microns. I know you're going to watch this and you're going to say, you got to do microns. You can do mils or microns, whatever you like. We like mils, and that's just because I think we're so close to the US border. I know we're Canadian, I'm sorry. But it's just what I've been taught to do. But you can change it. What I like about it, it's all digital. So in the app, you don't gotta get too close, but you have a bunch of things here. You can also do reports. Like what I like my staff to do is go around the whole car. You can do a report. It's about 80 different spots. You're testing the paint, and what you're looking for is differences. So for example, this one, random number here, this one's 4.1. When you go to the hood, it's 10.75, and it's gonna be yellow. Real reason why it's 10.75, there's PPF on it. But if it's been repainted, you'll have cars that are like that. You'll have some that'll say like, oh, 40 mils or whatever. What you're looking for is pretty much any differences in the paint. Why that matters is, let's say you had a big scratch in the middle of the door. Someone went to town on, polished it out. There's no paint left pretty much. And then you get on it, you're gonna put a coating on the car. Car's used, customer has no idea. You polish it, you go through the paint. Who's liable? You are, because you went through it. With this tool, it's going to eliminate that. Is it bulletproof? No, you can still burn through the paint on an edge or something, because obviously you can't gauge an edge. What it does, it gives you the information and the report to back it up when you tell a customer, hey, I can't do that polish on your car. These are the reasons why. Here's the report. And the report has like their name, their VIN, their vehicle, and you enter all that in. This is not that expensive. So look it up. We're gonna probably put it in the bio if we can get them on Carzilla and post links for you. If not, look it up. Next PTG is the gauge. It's a fantastic gauge. Any gauge is good. Why I like this though is you get those reports you can show customers and makes you look very professional. This saves your butt, gives you a nice little step where you know what's been done to the car. I've even had new cars that come from the dealer and I'm like, that's been repainted. You can see it because there's a difference in values, because normally a car would be having the same values or close. If one's like triple the amount, you're like, whoa, it's been painted for sure. So this gives you a little bit of information about the car before you do that polishing step and before you do that coating, and it's going to save your butt more than once. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.